Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this fall inspired orange yellow makeup look, and if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'll start by priming my eyelids with the NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base. This will help intensify the eyeshadows as well as make it last throughout the day. I'll then set the eye primer with some loose powder to help blend out the eyeshadows easily. For this look, I'll be using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I'll take a flat shader brush and dip it into the shade Explode, which is a bright poppy shade, and press it in the outer half of my eyelids. This is such a vibrant shade and is perfect for this look. Next, I'll take this yellow shade Jouer from the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette and apply it in the inner half of my eyelids. I'll press the eyeshadow in my eyelids to get the maximum color payoff, since this is a very buildable shade. Next, I'll take a fluffy blending brush and soften the edges with this matte orange shade Flame Game. Next, I'll blend the eyeshadows towards the brow bone with the yellow shade Jouer for a soft gradient effect. I'll bring out the eyeshadows outwards and blend it for a nice soft lifted look. We are almost done with the base shades. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Next, I'll take this warm brown shade Domination and with an angled brush apply it close to my lash line. I'll bring out the shade outwards for a soft smoky effect and blend it. I'll use the same brown eyeshadow and apply it in my lower lash line. Now I'll take a cream kajal pencil and apply it in my waterline. I'll take the orange eyeshadow Explode and apply it above the cream kajal in my waterline. Next, I'll mix the orange and brown eyeshadow and smoke out the lower lash line. I'll also apply some yellow eyeshadow to diffuse the edges. With a flat synthetic brush, I'll take this yellow shimmer eyeshadow Electric from the Pixi Tones and Texture palette and apply it over the yellow eyeshadow. I'll also apply the shade Gleam over it to add a little definition to it. I'll go back to the orange shade and blend out the edges so that it looks soft and diffuse and put together. I'll again use the shade Gleam to highlight my inner corner and the brow bone. Next, I'll take some micellar water in a cotton bud and clean out the edges for a sharp and defined look. I'll apply some concealer and some loose powder to set the area. Now I'll draw the inner corner with the Peripera black eyeliner. I'll go over the eyeshadows one more time with a clean brush to bring all the shades together for that soft blended look. Finally, I'll curl my lashes, apply some mascara and a pair of light wispy eyelashes to complete the look. And here is the final look. This is such a bright fall inspired look. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time.